I do have a lot of tension there. 'Cause
Do
I
you?
find that I feel heavy
Yeah.
up there.
Yeah, and you roll your
slouchy,
shoulders a
yeah.
lot too. Do you do a lot of computer work, a lot of phone work?
Yes, and I've just, probably the last couple of months I've noticed I'm slouching forward.
Okay, I want you to take a deep breath in and out. This is going to help with that upper back tension that we talked about. Good, 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 good. Everything's going to be okay. Good. You okay?
Yep.
It's for stress, tension, neck pain, headaches, trouble sleeping. Bone back into alignment. The one on the left side's a little bit lower. It's right here. So you're going to feel a couple pops along the way. Everything's going to be okay. Amazing.
Wow.
How are you doing?
You know what, I couldn't do that before.
Amazing.